Hi dear Aries, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is a reading for singles. Singles only. I'll tap into the past energy, the present energy and the near future energy, and if you are dating somebody new or what is your current energy regarding new love, okay? And what could be the potential outcome for you guys. So this is reading for November. So this is valid from 1st of November till the end of November. So Aries, let's start. Your recent past energy regarding love, you can say, or your recent past energy regarding your emotions, you can say, Aries. Recent past energy or past energy, Aries. Empress. I feel like if you were with somebody and you guys separated, I think you got pregnant or you had very fertile period with them. And for most of you, I feel like the Empress card to me is that you were focused entirely on yourself. Okay, you were focused entirely on yourself. You were trying to look good, flirt with people, enjoy with new people, engage with new people. It could also be possible, Aries, that you had multiple one-night stands, or you are having a relationship where you were just friends with benefits kind of situation. I don't see a very solid committed connection here, but yes, you were flirting around, you were looking good, you were making yourself feel good about the emotions that you were dealing with. Let me clarify the Empress in your past energy. Four of Four of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords and the Strength card. Okay. Four of Pentacles, Ace of Swords and the Strength card. So I feel like these cards are telling me that you are holding back a lot of things. You are trying to control your emotions. Might be you are not over from the past situation yet. That's why you are just trying to come out of that situation, and you're very scared of the new relationship thing. In the recent past, I'm telling you, your past energy is this is your past energy. You're holding back. You were holding back a lot of things. You were holding back a lot of emotions. You were ready to have a brand new beginning. You were ready to have a brand new relationship, but again you chose to hold back. You chose to hold back. You feel like, no, I just don't want to do that again. I'm not just ready for the situation again. So that's why I feel like from this situation where you felt deeply hurt and deeply in rut, you can say, emotional trauma, emotional drama, you chose to be single and you tried to flirt around, you tried to hook up and having, just one night stand type of energy, right? Cool. Let's see what's your present energy. Your current energy right now is Aries. So keep in mind, this is November reading, so if it is not resonating with you at this point of time, it will at that time. Okay, cool. What is your current energy, Aries, regarding love or relationship? Three of Cups. I feel like right now you are trying to reconcile with somebody. Three of Cups energies here. Might be you are trying to reconcile with somebody, or you are just enjoying life as it is coming to you. Celebration. Three of Cups energy. Celebration time, and it is time of reconciliation as well. Okay, I feel like you are trying to reconcile, or somebody from the past is coming to you for a reconciliation in your current energy. Somebody's here. Definitely somebody's here. Let me clarify, then I'll see what is happening. Queen of Pentacles, the Empress card again, and the Eight of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is in reverse. So, yeah. You're trying to heal from a situation, but you are not able to heal, Aries. This is the situation here. I'm being very honest with you. You are trying to heal from a situation, but you are not able to do that. That's why you're just trying to show the world that you are really happy. You're looking good. You don't give a shit to anybody. You don't give a shit to your emotions or anything around you. Just trying to make you feel, make yourself look good, and make yourself look good in the eyes of others, in the eyes of the world. It's like self-deceptive energy also, but you're trying your best to work on yourself, to work on your emotions. Okay, you just want to work on the past relationship also. For some of you, this is past relationship also, that you want this person to come back to you and you want to work on this connection. For others of you, you are just too busy looking for yourself, to looking for money, making money, and just looking good and flirting around, and you're just too busy in celebrating life. I don't see you being in a relationship, being in a serious committed connection as of now. This is your current energy. I will see the future cards for you as well. Okay, this is celebration. You are intuitively, I'm getting Aries, I'm getting that although you are trying to look good, feel good, although you are trying to celebrate life as it is coming, although you are just trying to show the world that you are really happy, I don't see that you're happy from inside. There's some kind of pain, there's some kind of feeling that is required before you be literally happy. Yeah. Let's see if somebody new is coming to your life, or your energy towards somebody new, or if you're dating somebody new right now. Let's see. Your energy towards somebody new in your life, or towards a serious relationship. You can say, you can take it as it resonates with you. Ace of Wands. Ooh. A passionate new connection is coming towards you. Passionate, fiery connection. It could be a person who is coming towards you, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is non-committal energy. This is non-committal energy, and this is fiery sexual energy. Fiery sexual encounters. A passionate new love is coming towards you. Or it could be you who is approaching somebody who is equally passionate as you are. And it could be sexual, fiery energy. Cool. Let me clarify the Ace of Wands. Ace of Cups and the Judgment and the King of Cups. Ace of Wands is fiery energy and non-committal energy, sexual energy, highly sexual and highly fertile energy. Then this is clarified by the Ace of Cups and the Judgment and the King of Cups. So I feel like, yes, whomsoever you were connected within the past, this past person is coming back towards you with lots of love. There will be a brand new beginning. There will be a brand new beginning sexually as well. There will be a brand new beginning as in emotions as well. And this brand new beginning is after you guys are going to forgive each other and forget whatever you guys did in the past with each other. You are going to forgive this person, and you are going to, just accept the love they have to offer you. They are going to offer you this love, and you are going to accept it. Let me just give me a second. So you are going to accept this love. Yes. So you are going to accept this love. So there is somebody coming from your past. For some of you, this is a brand new person, but for most of you, this is a person whom you already know. You know this person already, and this person is coming to you, and there will be lots of sexual energy. There will be lots of passion. There will be lots of love, overwhelming emotions. Okay, and there will be forgiveness, and there will be love. Nice. You're ready for brand new love in your life. You're ready for love entering your life again. This is your energy for a new person in your life. Okay, cool. Let me see what will be the potential outcome till the end of November. What is happening with you? Three of Wands. I feel like the thing that you were waiting for from a very long time is finally happening. Might be you were waiting for love in your life from a very long time, that is arriving. Or might be you were waiting for a particular person from a very long time, that particular person is arriving. Or there is something that is coming towards you. Again, this is fire energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Very high energy of fire energy. Very high fire energy present in your reading today. So it's like Three of Wands is like you are waiting for something for very, very eagerly, and your ships are about to arrive. Whatever you are waiting for, this thing is coming to you finally. Okay, let me clarify the Three of Wands. This is Three of Cups, this is Three of Wands, celebration, Empress energy. You're trying your best to cover up all the emotional trauma or the emotional drama that you have experienced in the recent past. You're trying your best to cover all these things, okay, and look good and feel good, and just waiting for might be the right person or just waiting for a particular person to come back to you. I feel like love is coming to you. Yes. I'm sorry, the cards are spinning behind me. Let's see. I hate it when my cards feel like this. Four of Cups and the Five of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Definitely you were very, very confused. You were heartbroken. You were sad. You were deeply regretting something. You were lost. You were dissatisfied. Whatever the options that you have in your life, that you had in your life, or you can say that you presently have, you were not satisfied with them. You are not satisfied with them. So it is like you are deeply hurt. You are deeply regretting what you did, or you're deeply regretting what happened with you. Okay, but there is a brand new energy of Ace of Pentacles. Brand new offer of love is coming towards you. It could be the past person coming back to you, or it could be a new offer of friendship or love coming towards you. But whatever the case is, definite start of love is there in your energy, because Ace of Wands is here, Ace of Cups is here, and now the Ace of Pentacles is also here. There are lots of aces. Lots of aces means there's a certainty, there is definitely a start going on, a restart going on regarding your love life. Okay. So whomsoever you are waiting for, if you are waiting for love, that love offer, if you are waiting for a particular person, for most of you, I can see that you guys are waiting for a particular person. You have given a face and a name to that love offer. I feel like for most of you, it is coming back to you. It is coming to you. And if you're manifesting love in your life in general, new love is also coming to you. There is energy of new love as well, and past person also coming back. This is the energy of November, okay? November and till November end. So thank you so much, Aries, for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.